I'm running late, so going to shoot with Virtual.ink outdoors. And the sun is going down. We don't have much time. What are you doing? Don't you feel the emergency?
Guys, today is a special day. We have with us Ninja Miko in the house. Guys, check this out. You think you have enough? You don't, all right? Oh my God, the secret stock. There is in total around 50 tubes all around the house.
I think we have over 100 in the studio total. We have 6 cameras, a lot of tubes, acrylic blades, the cat. We don't need you, go away in here. Going to do camping. Oh, you didn't know that? The rest of the team is already there, waiting for us. That's the installation for tonight. We could have used 2 tripods, but I don't know, I thought it would be cool to have a beast. Do some Virtual.ink with a friend. Kim is going to join us in about 1 hour. We have time. I think it's dark enough. We could start like right away.
Yeah, sure.
I'm going to use a 5D Mark IV for the video light painting. We have that tether tool table. Thank you, tether tool, for that gift. We're shooting with Virtual.ink Dual, so I have the 2 boxes that I'm going to set up with the 2 cameras over there, connected to the PC, and should be good to run on the battery for tonight. We have to be careful not to drain out the battery because Kim is coming at 8:30, but it's dark enough to do video light painting. I'm pretty sure of that.